Calculating square footage made simple.
Hello and welcome. Today we're going to learn about a really important concept in home design and planning: how to calculate the square footage of a room. This is a fundamental skill that can help you whether you're looking at buying new furniture, planning a renovation, or even if you're just curious. Square footage is simply the area of a space in square feet. It's a measure of the size of a room or space. We're going to use some basic geometry, but don't worry, it's straightforward and easy to grasp.
What is the formula?
The formula for calculating square footage depends on the shape of your room. However, for most standard rectangular or square-shaped rooms, the formula is incredibly simple. Length times width equals area. This formula gives you the square footage of your room. Just take the length of your room, how long it is from one end to the other, and the width of your room, how wide it is from one side to the other, and multiply them together. The result is the area or square footage of your room. Note, the measurements should be in feet. If you have measurements in inches or yards, you'll need to convert them to feet before doing the calculation.
What if the room is not rectangular?
Sometimes rooms can have more complicated shapes, like an L shape, or they might have alcoves or recesses. In this case, the best approach is to break down the room into smaller rectangular or square sections. Calculate the area of each of these sections separately, then add all the areas together to get the total square footage of the room.
Are there any caveats?
Yes, there are a few things you should keep in mind. Firstly, this is a basic calculation and it might not account for features like sloping ceilings or stairs. Also, this isn't a substitute for professional advice. If you're doing something important like planning a construction project, you should consult with a professional. Secondly, remember to always double-check your measurements. A small mistake in measuring can lead to a big error in your final calculation. And there you have it. Calculating square footage doesn't have to be complicated. With the formula length times width equals area and a little bit of careful measuring, you'll be able to find out the square footage of any room in no time at all. We hope you found this explanation useful and simple to understand. Happy calculating, and we'll see you in the next video.